Hi, my name is Chantel Thomas, and I am excited about this course because I will get to know more about research techniques and being able to better explain it to someone as far as the research that I found or I'm conducting. And also working in a group when it comes to research because in the past I've had to do research based assignments where it was just myself, so I am excited on working with a group and just kind of putting all our ideas together to get a solution to a problem ultimately. I think that my experience with research has been a little bit of a love-hate relationship because I've had to do research projects back to back to back in undergrad for my psych degree. But it has helped me along the way, especially moving forward in my career. And I think what made it fun at certain points was having that hands-on experience, because it was me going out in the field, shaking hands, kissing babies, interacting with people, and just getting that information from them. I think I really enjoyed that because I'm very extroverted. I will hold a conversation with anybody about anything if they're willing to have it. So that really made it fun for me. But I am a little apprehensive moving forward for this class, but I'm excited and ready to meet my group and hopefully have a conversation or two with the teacher, just because I'm sure I'll have questions. So that's me, and I'll see you guys in class. Bye.